Your Azure OpenAI endpoints are hitting rate limits, and Azure APM is blind to token usage. You think a single gateway solves this? Azure demands a multi-layered architecture.
You will map the act, analyze, and store telemetry pipeline using Azure APIM and Azure Monitor to prevent token exhaustion.
High-throughput LLM requests throttle your endpoints without a structured gateway. Azure APIM acts as this gateway, routing traffic to two Azure OpenAI PTUS instances secured by managed identities. For batch processing, Azure APIM offloads requests to Azure Event Hub. The orchestration service then replays these queued requests when PTU capacity clears. Meanwhile, Azure Monitor tracks telemetry across 10 components: Azure APIM, Azure OpenAI PTUS instances, managed identities, Azure Event Hub, orchestration service, and the act, analyze, store, and visualize layers.
An enterprise application sends batch requests over an on-premises network to Azure APIM. To secure this traffic, Azure APIM enforces identity verification using Azure AD Entra and Azure Key Vault. Managed identities connect the gateway to Azure OpenAI PTUS and an Azure OpenAI PTUS second instance, ensuring zero-secret credential management. When traffic spikes, Azure APIM routes batch payloads to Event Hub. The orchestration service replays these queued requests once PTU capacity clears, returning responses securely. Engineers wrongly treat the AI gateway as a basic proxy managed solely by Azure APIM. In production, you must deploy Azure Monitor to coordinate telemetry. This requires distinct operational layers to act on alerts, analyze metrics, store logs, and visualize system performance. Azure APIM routes traffic while Event Hub queues batch jobs. Azure Monitor manages observability across four distinct layers: act, analyze, store, and visualize. Managed identities secure your Azure OpenAI PTUS endpoints without static credentials.
Open your Azure portal right now. Deploy Azure Monitor and run the quick start to build your first dashboard. Within 30 minutes, you will master these 4 operational layers.